Hi guys, today we're going to be doing a Doner Kebab Burger. Let's get to it. Okay, so we have a mixing bowl. We have some lamb mince. We've got 20% fat lamb mince, which is the perfect fat ratio for this recipe. And we have all of our spices here. And I'll list those for you now. And what we're going to do is we're going to take our mince and our spices, mix them together in this mixing bowl, and then produce our burger patties. So let's get all this mince into the mixing bowl. I'm wearing gloves because I'm handling meat. Let's get rid of that paper. Get all of our spices. In they go. And all we're going to do is just mix it all together. Making sure all of the spices and the mince is all mixed together properly. And we're going to knead it. And there we go. All the mince and the spices are mixed together. Let's get this on some baking paper and we can divide it into 4 pieces to make our burgers. So we've got some baking paper down, and there's our mince mixture. And we're just gonna make it into a sort of ball shape. Flatten it out a little bit. And then we're going to cut it in half. And half again. And that's the correct proportions for each burger patty. So we're going to take one of those, roll it into a sort of ball shape. Now you can either just pat it out with your hands to make a burger shape, or you could use a burger press. I'm going to use the burger press. All we're going to do there we go. Now over to the frying pan. And all I'm going to do is spray a bit of oil in the frying pan. And then we're going to add our burger patty to the frying pan. And we're going to cook this quite slowly. We want the middle to cook properly. Just flatten that out a little bit more. I'm just going to flip that burger now. And let's give this another turn. There we are. Starting to char on that side. The smell of kebab is absolutely amazing. Cannot wait to try this out. I'm sure you can hear that sizzling away. You can see that's cooking nicely now. Nice and juicy. Can't wait to get stuck into this thing. So I think we're just about ready to start building our burger. Got some lovely colour to it. The smell is amazing. Sizzling away there. Been slow cooking for about 15 minutes. Make sure that it's cooked all the way through. So let's get this burger built. Okay, so I've got my burger bun here. Here we go. We're going to put our cooked burger in the bun. I did cut it in half so that we could see that it is cooked all the way through. And what we're going to do is a little bit of lettuce on top there, a little bit of onion, there we go. Going to be using a little bit of mayonnaise on the top. And a doner kebab wouldn't be the same if we didn't have a bit of chili sauce. And there we go. And then all we're going to do is put our bun on the top. And there we go. There's our doner kebab burger. And there it is. If you like the video, please hit that like button, leave any comments down below, and hopefully you'll subscribe so you don't miss any more future content. And I'll see you in the next video, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.